So how to fix communication error in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero? So according to practice, deleting the engine file or the entire config folder can effectively alter the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero connection timeout error. Now how to do that? Step number 1, press the Windows plus E key combination to open File Explorer. Step number 2, navigate to this location, like this. Now after that, now you can right click on the engine configuration file and choose delete from the context menu. Alternatively, you can choose to delete the entire config file to resolve the connection timeout error. Now the method number 2 lowers lobby times out. So lowering the lobby times out limit is also an effective way to remove the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero connection times out error. So first go to the room settings. Second, click on the left arrow of time to reduce the time limit from 600 to 360 or 180. Finally, hit confirm to apply this change, then launch the game and check if the communication error disappears. Now, the method number 3, remove FPS unlock. So step number 1, in File Explorer, navigate to this link. So now, step number 2, open the engine file and then delete the lines from this code to this code. So step number 3, save the edited configuration file, then launch the game and check if it runs normally. So this step number 4, you can update the bypass, but this is a hard way. But as you can see, we can now configure the DNS server. So how to do that? So it's easy. Just go to Start menu here and type Control Panel like this, and now enter it. So after that, change the view by category, as you can see here. Now you can select it here by category. Now after that, select network and internet, and network sharing center, like this, network sharing center. Next, so after that, click on the connections. As you can see, this is connection, this is my Wi-Fi. So like this. So now click on properties, and now as you can see, this is the networks, and double click on internet protocol. This is it, version 4, as you can see. So after you double click on it, now in the new window like this, click on this, use the DNS. So after that, in preferred DNS server, just write 8 like this, 8, 8, and 8. Now in alternative DNS server, write 8, 8, 4, 4, like this. So, and in the alternative DNS server section, like this, and you can now click OK and save it. So, and now the problem was solved. So as you can see, this is how to fix communication error in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.